We just received another glowing review from another one of our satisfied customers, and we wanted to share it with the world. Here's what they had to say. And this is what they had to say. Attention to detail and customer satisfaction are among our top priorities. As you can see, this stellar review is proof that we succeeded in providing top-rate services and complete customer care to each and every client. We work hard to ensure our customers are happy and satisfied with the work we do for them, and we'll work hard for you too. We hope you enjoyed our small section of the internet today. We look forward to talking with you.